G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Wominjeka, to another ripper of an episode. Today we're going to talk about finance. Finance, if you're an owner builder or if you're an owner looking at getting a builder to do your job, the finance side of it is one of the biggest stresses that we all come against. Now, finance is not a dirty word. Budget is not a dirty word. Talk to your builder, talk to your financer about budgets, contingency sum. I can't stress it enough. I have gone and seen 5 different finances to try and get refinanced to finish my dream, my and my family's dream home. And I'm working 3 jobs at the moment at once. I run my own carpentry school, I teach at night and on the weekends, and I also run 2 building projects at a time. And I tell you, I hardly have any time left over. Yet, because I'm self-employed and we're in an economy downturn, the finance people are sitting there, the financiers are sitting there going, no way, high risk job, not a chance. I understand that, but I just don't agree with it. I know people that have got full-time jobs, they're employed for 3 months and they're able to get ridiculous loans. I guess the Bank Royal Commission's not helping matters either at the moment in Australia. I mean, that's a massive turn as well. But long and short of it, we're going to come out of the winter month and we're going to get into the spring month. And then things will start to blossom again and things will start moving. What I'm getting to for you consumers out there or people that are looking at doing their own types of builds, think about who you're talking to and where you can use their professionalism to get the best end product for you and your home. Different products cost different amounts, but the value in them can be out of this world, out of this galaxy. That's what we're after. We want to build homes that last. It's the most important factor of building your own dream home. There's so many emotions involved in building a home for both the builder as well as for the consumer. A builder has to, in Australia, a builder has to guarantee their work for 10 years. A 10-year structural warranty. There's no other occupation I know that has to guarantee their work for 10 years. So think about who you're getting to do it. We don't build homes just for 10 years, we build them for a lifetime. And I think that's so important that we do that. But we have to understand the materials that we're using and where we're using them. So next time you're thinking about getting a builder to do your build, think it, talk it, work it. Trust them. Go and talk to them, talk to old clients of theirs, find out where they've been, what they've done, the different types of builds they do. I don't build every different type of home. There's select, I qualify my client and my job. It's so important for me to do. And it's so important for me to trust my client as much as my client to trust me. It's my livelihood. It's all of the guys that work for me's livelihood on the line when I take on a job. So I need to make sure that my clients are up there with the best. Thanks for watching. Any questions or queries about any of that, please flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.